Today I'm making delicious creamy tomato soup. Let's get cooking. First add 3 tablespoons of butter. Next add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we'll add half an onion finely chopped. We want to cook the onions for about 12 minutes. We want them to be really soft but not brown. Next we'll add 2 cloves of diced garlic. We'll stir that up and let it cook about another 3-4 minutes. Let's add our 3 cans of petite diced tomatoes. Now these are each 14-ounce cans. Oh, that's looking good. Annie, you're drinking out of your bowl right now. Okay. I'm going to turn that up to a high heat so it'll get to a good temperature. Then we'll turn it down to a simmer and let it cook for about 45 minutes with the lid on. Remember to stir occasionally. Oh, that smells so good. Now that our soup has simmered for 45 minutes, I'm going to add a half a cup of whipping cream. All right, now let it cool just a bit, and I'm going to pour it in the blender so we can smooth it up. Oops, it's kind of messy. There we go. That'll work. Leave our lid. Blend for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth. Okay, it's nicely blended. Let's pour it back into our pot. Oh, it's smooth, creamy. Let's add 1 cup of warm water. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes and it'll be ready to eat. All right, our soup has simmered for an additional 15 minutes. Looks delicious. Time for a taste test. Here we go. Just a little bit more. That is really hot, but it is so delicious. You know what would go great with this is a grilled cheese sandwich. So be sure and watch this next video, how to make an air fryer grilled cheese sandwich. Until next time, we'll see you then.